shiny and red, crunchy and tasty, the best to be fed.
B is for ball, rolling around, bounce it up high, then down to the ground.
C is for cat, soft as can be, purring so gently while sitting on me.
D is for dog, wagging his tail, chasing his bone down a long happy trail. E is for elephant, big and strong, with a trunk that trumpets a loud, proud song. F is for fish, swimming so fast, gliding in water, fun that will last. G is for giraffe, so tall and neat, eating green leaves high up as a treat.
H is for hat, sitting on my head,
Yellow, blue, purple, or even bright red.
I is for ice cream, creamy delight,
Chocolate or vanilla, oh what a bite.
J is for jug, full of sweet juice, pour it in cups for everyone's use.
K is for kite, flying so high, dancing with clouds across the sky.
L is for lion,
Roaring with pride, king of the jungle with friends by his side.
M is for monkey, cheeky and fun, climbing and swinging till the day is done. N is for nest, where baby birds stay, waiting for wings to carry them away.
O is for orange, juicy and round, full of sweet flavor, the best to be found.
P is for penguin, waddling slow, sliding on ice wherever they go.
Q is for queen, with jewels so bright,
Smiling with kindness, shining with light.
R is for rainbow, colors that gleam, red, blue, and yellow like a dream. S is for sun, warming the day, chasing the dark clouds far, far away.
T is for train,
Chugging along, clickety-clack with a cheerful song. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry when raindrops fall from the cloudy sky. V is for violin, soft and sweet, you and meet, a melody gentle and neat. W is for whale, swimming with grace, the ocean's giant with a smiling face. X is for xylophone, rainbow of sound, tinkling notes that dance all around. Y is for yak, with hair so long, marching through mountains, big and strong. Z is for zebra, black and white stripes, running through grasslands, what a sight.
K, and that's the alphabet, A through C. Each letter is fun for you and me.